Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 105. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Akshu. Right now, she came to help them. She was screaming, "Shaudi, let her go." Well, it was Ji Xingyun right now. Shaudi is trying to harm too. But this manager also. Oh, did I touch a ghost today? If I weren't for that silly Gusinan teasing me. How did I meet Ji Yuyan and Jing Shu? Well, it was really troublesome for Shaudi at this moment. There are so many nosy people tonight. Shaudi said to them. Here comes another one. Jing Shu, I advise you. Well, this man has no remorse on what she does today. Akshu right now, since she really get mad. Now she want to protect Jiuyan, especially this man. He was really a cruel and troublesome person. Akshu, looking at her, she looks really mad. Also, she want to say to her, have you sober up a little? Well, it turns out this man is really drunk, and right now, he is venting her anger towards Jiuyan because her plan is really failing off. Right now, looking at Jiuyan, she seems to be afraid of. This man is going to attack them. Said, you're gonna pay for this, silly. Oh, this is not good. Someone might help them. Because Shaudi becomes so furious right now. And Jiuyan, she want to protect Akshu. She want to block that. Jiuyan seems to be allowing herself to receive what will Shaudi is going through them. But sadly, Shaudi got pinned down. Turns out Akshu's bodyguard was also there. Also Jiuyan. Well, it turns out now everything seems to be well off. Thanks to the bodyguard for the swift action. Now Shaudi is lying on the floor and she's been controlled of. It seems that everyone seems to be terrified. Director Shao drank too much. Brother Shao, help me wake him up. It's best to remember the lesson. He won't think about drinking again for a few months. Now Akshu is trying to scold him, but this man seems to have no remorse. Jingshu, do you dare to let someone break me? How long did you think your grandfather's power will last? Oh, this is clearly indication that this man really knows her well, especially her grandpa. Grandpa, well, of course, right now, everything is gonna be worked out. If Akshu's grandpa know this, he will be furious, and we don't know what he'll be done to this man. Right now, Akshu, she was calling someone. Well, probably, it's about her grandfather. She really want to tell them what happened today. It was really troublesome. Yuyan right now, she want to try to cover up, place a blanket on Akshu. Well, it's also getting late, but of course, right now, Akshu, she look back and she feel that someone. Turns out it was Jiuyan right now. Well, looking at her, she was blushing a little bit. Also right now, Jiuyan, she want to help her. She cover up also, because she know this girl still shaking on what she experienced. Director Shouty. Now, the little girl seems to be crying so hard. Woo woo woo. Well, it was really terrifying, right? Having to experience like this. Of course, she will be really shaky. Akshu said to her, "Do you want to go to the hospital for examination? Do you want to sue Shouty?" Well, everything seems to be working well. But right now, it seems that this little girl, he don't want to feel embarrassed. He said to them, "I don't want to go. I'm not going." Of course, if someone knows this, she will be get this by others, especially other people. Mr. Jing, no, nothing really happened. I don't want to. I don't want to go to the hospital. Well, she seems not to be calm. Let's see this. Let's hope Ji-Yuan can really calm her. Don't make this a big deal. And don't let others know if it's a good or not. Of course, it will be a really secret for them, especially what happened today. Akshu will never let slip it off. She will tell her grandfather that Director Shouty is really a troublesome person. Of course, this little kid right now, she was really terrified. This incident was exposed. Shouty was only scolded a few words at most. After a long time, the public has forgotten. Well, she was definitely right. People will never focus attention to Shouty. But everything goes on attention to them. But forever can only be pointed at. Well, of course, right now, she don't want others to belittle her. That's why right now, she was really crying hard. But for Ji-Yuan right now, she is really showing her sympathy towards the little girl. Of course, it was really terrifying for her also. Thanks to Akshu that she really came well. Right now, Akshu seems to be worried a lot. That's why she kept herself silent. Now, Ji-Yuan, Sinan, I have calmed down and can react. Did it cause you trouble? Of course, it's nothing for Akshu. I really want to help her. I also want to protect her. Akshu said to her, "What's the trouble?" Of course, it's really not trouble for her, especially right now. She really did what she done today. And it's made Ji-Yuan flutter so much. Looking at Ji-Yuan, her heart's been fluttering by the words of Akshu right now. Of course, she really calmed down when she was here with her. Well, we can blame her. A little bit terrifying. Also, she was really thankful for Akshu. This is not the case. Of course, Akshu said to her, "Well, right now, something needs to sort it out, especially Director Shouty." Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted of my daily updates. Bye!